Today, we're diving into the incredible return of a true automotive legend, the 2025 Citroën 2CV. The original Citroën 2CV was a masterpiece of simplicity and charm. Born in post-war France, it was designed to be an affordable, rugged, and practical car for the masses. With its quirky looks and go-anywhere attitude, the 2CV became a cultural icon. Fast forward to 2025, and Citroën is reviving this beloved classic. But not in the way you might expect. The all-new 2025 Citroën 2CV takes everything that made the original great and reimagines it for the modern era. This isn't just a nostalgic nod. It's a full-on transformation. Citroën has fused retro design with futuristic technology to create a car that stands out in today's crowded market. From the outside, you'll immediately recognize the 2CV's signature rounded silhouette and minimalistic bodywork. But everything has been smoothed and modernized with sleek LED lighting, flush door handles, and lightweight materials. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, lies a fully electric powertrain. That's right, the 2025 2CV is 100% electric. Citroën has equipped it with a compact but efficient battery pack, offering a range of up to 200 miles on a single charge, ideal for city commuting or weekend getaways. And thanks to its feather-light construction, the car delivers zippy performance. With a surprisingly agile feel, inside, the 2025 2CV keeps things minimalist yet clever. The cabin is airy, fun, and filled with character. You get a large central touchscreen, basic but smart digital controls, and sustainable materials throughout, including recycled fabrics and eco-friendly trim. The front seats are more comfortable than ever, and the rear seats fold flat to make extra room for cargo. But beyond the features, it's the spirit of the 2CV that truly lives on. This car was never about speed or luxury. It was about freedom, simplicity, and a certain joie de vivre. And Citroën has captured that perfectly in this modern interpretation. Whether you're driving through narrow urban streets or cruising along the countryside, the new 2CV brings a smile to your face and turns heads wherever it goes. Citroën also plans to offer a range of customization options, from playful colors to retro-inspired accessories. It's clear they want drivers to feel connected to the heritage while still embracing the future. With its bold electric vision and unmistakable personality, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is more than just a car. It's a statement. That wraps up today's look at the reborn legend that is the 2025 Citroën 2CV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a ride into automotive greatness. Thanks for watching Auto Cars, and we'll see you in the next one.